Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight, Appa is going to fry some tang hoon, glass noodle. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredient that I'm going to use today. I have some prawns, few pieces of prawns. I have removed the pointy part and removed the leg. You can devein if you want to. This prawn is not very big, so I did not devein. Then I have 2 eggs here. Basically, I'm cooking for 2 adults. And I have some tang hoon here. My personal preference, I always prefer to soak it under hot water for several minutes before use. Then I have some shallot, garlic, dried shrimp, and some white portion of the spring onion. Right, let's make a little bit of prawn oil. Give it some oil. Heat it up. When the oil is heated up, we can actually put in the prawns. So let's saute the prawn for 2-3 minutes. Right, I have pan fried the prawn for about 2.5 minutes. Right, now I'm going to set it aside. And you can see, you will notice the oil has actually turned a little bit orangey. That is prawn oil. Now that we have prawn oil, we can actually put in the garlic, dried shrimp, and also shallot. So let's saute this for a while before we continue. Meanwhile, I will open the egg. Ooh, super fragrant right now. Let me push all this to the side, and then I'm going to put in the egg. Let's give the egg a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of light soy sauce and some white pepper. Break the egg. Mix everything up. Now we can put in the soak. Tang hoon. Let's give it some seasoning here. Tune down to low fire first. I'm going to give it a little bit of light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. The Vietnamese premium fish sauce. White pepper. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some fine salt. I'm putting in the white portion of spring onion. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. If you prefer darker color, put dark soy sauce. I'm not putting today yet. Let's decide later. Let's give it a little bit of water. Super fragrant right now. Prawn. Okay, I prefer this color, so I'm not adding the dark soy sauce. Right before serving, let me find a fragrance oil. I'm adding some fried garlic and also fried garlic oil here. You can use any type of fragrant oil that you can find, yeah? Fried shallot, fried ginger, no problem. Or sesame oil, also can. Right, done, ready to be served. Stir frying tongfen is much easier than stir frying bee hoon because it doesn't break. Right, so here's Appa's very simple stir frying glass noodle. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.